Hey there, I'm John Johnson with the DC's Department of Public Works, and I'm here to introduce you to DC's newest bin on the block, the Food Waste Smart Bin. This bin is just for food scraps and food soil paper, helping residents keep compostable materials out of the trash and away from landfills. It's designed with a sturdy steel enclosure and a locking lid to contain odors and keep rodents at bay. Right now, I'm at a bin at Alethea Tanner Park in Northeast DC, but there are 30 of these bins across the city, all here to make composting more convenient for DC residents. So how does it work? Let's take a closer look. You can easily spot a food waste smart bin by its lively and inviting design. On the front of the bin, we have details on how to access it and a phone number to call or a website to visit in case you have questions. On one side of the bin, we list what's accepted in English and on the other side, in Spanish. Using a smart bin is easy. There are two ways to unlock a smart bin: with a Metro Key app or a key code. Using the Metro Key app, which is available on Google Play and Apple App Store, you can view the locations of all smart bins in DC, check their fullness status, and unlock them when you arrive. By simply opening the app, using the map to find the bin closest to you, select the button and click the Unlock Unit button. The app will remind you of what can and cannot go in the bin. If you are standing next to the bin, the unit should unlock automatically. And you can lift the lid with your hand or to press the foot pedal to open the lid and place your materials inside. If you do not have a smart bin, or if you left it at home by accident, no worries. You may also open the smart bin by typing in a code on the keypad here. The keypad code is available on our website. Remember, you may only put food scraps and food soil paper in the smart bin. We encourage you to contain your materials in a compostable liner like the green one here that says BPI Certified Compostable, or a brown paper bag, or a paper lunch sack. Accepted materials in our bins include fruit and veggie scraps, salad, milk, cheese, egg and dairy, meat, seafood, bones and shells, bread, grains, pasta and nuts, cooked, spoiled, and oily foods, food soil paper, and cut flowers. Items not accepted in our bins include plastic bags, straws, containers, utensils, twist ties, and stickers. Also, don't include metals, plastic, glass, recyclables, and foil. And never put diapers, pet waste, and other trash in the bins. And make sure remove all food packaging. For yard waste, call 311 to schedule a free yard waste pickup. These food waste smart bins are part of DC's commitment to reducing waste and improving sustainability. By composting your food scraps, you're helping keep organic waste out of landfills, reducing rodent issues in the city, and creating nutrient-rich compost for local gardens and farms. If you have any questions, contact the Department of Public Works, Office of Waste Diversion. Thanks, and keep on composting.